Right into this world, all alone.
No, we didn't take the blow.
Yeah, well, somebody did.
It was all there before 10. I came by after I hit the weed shop and did a walkthrough.
So you were the last one here?
Yeah. I stuck a Kia blow down my pants and just walked out. Douchebag.
Excuse me? You're not talking to Alvarez in that tone.
Rafi's a straight-up soldier, sir. They owe me 15 years. It wasn't him.
It wasn't Juice.
And the other one? He's a new patch, right?
Miles.
Let's throw Miles under the bus.
And you press Rafi. You make sure there's no outside pressures you don't know about.
Maybe you should do the same, dude.
Leave it here for now. Tell him you didn't pick it up yet. Buys us a little more time.
Well, let's hope we're not another brick shy. And we find the bitch who took it. It don't matter, Maya nor son. He's dead.
Goodbye, Miles. I'm just guessing that's the way it's going to be.
Who's that?
Half of Satan's spawn. Here, take the baby.
Huh?
Mr. Bombastic, shut it.
I mean, my daddy.
Track down Tig.
Oh, that's supposed to be Tig's daughter? About time they told me. The scene went on and I had no idea who she was.
We didn't take any coke. Shit, me and Rat, we didn't even know what the hell was in there.
It wasn't us, it had to be the Mayan. He was off by himself most of the night.
Excuse me, who are you?
We'll get to the truth.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, no, no.
This is bullshit. I'm not gonna be taken apart by that psycho.
Come on, Clay, he didn't take it. None of us did. This is...
Whoa, 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 whoa. Like curly hair had the nerve to do this.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yes, it is.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Invitation's over.
Now would be a good time to get your shit and get out. Bitch. She will rip your little tits off.
Jesus fucking Christ. Who does she think she is? I mean, I kinda understand her attitude towards Tara, but towards Shamma? I mean, she's the big alpha here.
He didn't come home last night. I'm just worried. A lot of distance. We don't talk much.
Lizard brain, baby. Happens to all guys when they get married.
Yeah, just give it some time.
How would you know? You're not married yet.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing here?
Nobody says good morning anymore.
Oh, you're going down.
Married pussy's boring pussy.
Hey, 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 hey!
Ah! Hey, I will blow a hole straight through that pretty little yammy of yours.
Oh, then you're dead.
Get out.
Keep that 38 close, bitch. I need it.
Oh, I hope they kill her. One of the most unlikable characters I have seen in quite a while. Always looking down on people like they're nothing.
Is there really a bullet in there?
1 round, 5 empty chambers. Only have to pull the trigger once.
Best odds you're gonna get.
There's no bullet in there. They wouldn't take that risk.
No way, there's a real bullet in there.
Are you in or out?
This does not sound like your sister. How long has she been puking?
She's always had weird food stuff. There's a private rehab down in Orange County. It's not cheap. 12,000.
12K? I can teach her to stop binging for nothing.
She's just here to get money for herself, isn't she?
You'll help her?
Yeah. Yeah, baby. We'll go together. We'll check her in.
No.
Ha, look at that expression, that rapid change. She's lying.
Bitch pulled a gun on me.
No, she's right as my shit.
Whoa! Your dick almost got people killed. I don't even know who you are anymore.
That's such a cliche line. It's not like he raped a bunch of kids. He cheated on his wife once. Don't even know who you are anymore.
Hey. I'm sorry.
For what? You haven't done anything.
How you guys treat women.
Don't condemn the whole club.
You know what I mean. It isn't just a deal breaker anymore, Jax. I'm the mother of your sons. You hurt me, you hurt all of us.
One. That reminds me, actually. It's about time Wendy returns. For some extra drama.
Best to be awake while doing surveillance.
I just don't want anybody else getting hurt.
Me neither. Especially you. By law or by the hands of the club. I go down. You go down.
Thank you for applying more pressure.
I found the birth control in your dressing room.
You did it to get even.
I don't know.
I had an abortion.
Mine.
Yeah.
I'll have Mary take the kids. I'll crush the clubhouse. You tell me what you want to do. Very quiet.
Maybe they're digging a tunnel to get out of this shit.
Black thing ever bother you?
Listen, the rules have been around since day one. I'm not saying I agree with them all, but you know, if I start picking and choosing which ones to follow, then the whole thing just falls apart.
You could just vote on new rules.
I'm gonna give you both one last chance. We're gonna step outside, and whoever took the brick, we know it's gotta be around here somewhere. Just put it back.
Will you get the brick now and put it back? Would be funny if the brick is gone already. Some squirrel found it and took off.
I got reason to believe that Dr. Tara Knowles might be in some kind of danger.
Jax Teller's Ole.
Yeah.
Well, if you want me to keep an eye on the doctor, you're gonna have to give me more, and you know that.
I just heard some things.
What
Thought you should know.
things? What the fuck did this accomplish?
Hey!
Hey! What are you doing out here?
Cutting through from the
Oh,
guardhouse.
Miles.
What are you doing?
You shouldn't be here, I think. Oh, now you're dead.
Jesus, you took it?
No, I just found it here.
Let's go.
Okay. Here.
Miles, you're dead. Holy shit.
Christ. Yeah.
Lying bitch.
Did you get him?
I think he missed. Oh, Chucky, please. You have no chance with this one.
She's in Chicago with her boyfriend for 2 weeks.
John's playing you, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what she want the 12 grand for?
Why don't you ask her?
Maybe.
But first, we spank her ass.
This is why mothers should drown baby girls.
Boys, look.
We have an internal threat. Family member stumbled on some our more sensitive information.
This is very bad.
I know.
The fuck is this now?
Your VP's old lady. Yeah. You have a very difficult decision, my friend.
Trust me, it's been brutal.
He wants you to do it, dude.
I was hoping you might want to handle it.
It's gonna get expensive.
Whatever it takes.
This is really unbelievable. This really is the final straw.
Everything okay?
Yeah. All good.
Thank you, Daddy.
What the fuck, did he give her the money? Oh, Chucky, you're an idiot. And sometimes it's not even funny anymore.
She'll just be back for more.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's why he gave her the money, so she would be back.
What's the matter? You jealous? I can only be your bad girl.
That's right.
What the fuck?
Whoever flashed that rancid pussy around my club or family again, I will kill you. Whore.
Answer? Good boy.